How to delete Wuthering Waves account. So hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Wuthering Waves account. So let's just get into the video. So to delete the Wuthering Waves account, so you have to firstly launch Wuthering Waves and wait for the game to load. After that, open the main menu, and after that open the settings menu by pressing the button on the bottom right corner of your screen. And after that you have to open the account setting menu. It should be at the bottom of the settings menu, and after that open the user center menu. You can do this through the account settings menu, and in your account center scroll down until you see the other button. Click on the other button. There you should see the delete account options. Click on the delete account button carefully and read through the condition of a deletion. Confirm that you have read them, and after that click on the next button and read through the account deletion agreement and confirm that you have done so. And after that click on the next button, and after following this instruction you should be able to delete your account in Wuthering Waves. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.